make sure you have the winter symbol on by pressing the square. Go to menu, scroll down to programming, press OK. Go to first option, set program, press OK. Press OK again. Press OK again. Press OK again. Now change this to 24. Press OK. Now press escape. One more time. Go to day copy. Press OK. Change this to all by pressing this. Press OK. Go back. Go to show program. Make sure you change this to enable on. Press OK. Escape. Go down. Set thermostat. Make sure you enable on. Press OK. Now if you call for heating demand from your thermostat, you would then see the standby on the top left will change to state heating. And when you stop the demand from the thermostat, it would go back to standby.
Electric Combi Boilers Company, proud to be British.